Hello, I am Mason the Mystic. I have finally graduated from the School of Psychics. Yes, the School of Psychics. And now I can truly read your true aura and your future. But if you want a further deeper reading, I will have to caress and hold your breast. If you want me to go further, I can give you a full, better detail of what's going on by suckling those beautiful, firm, glistening breasts. And yes, I'm back. Yes. I can only read your true deep inner self by going deep inside your mother's milk that is located deep inside your breast. I can only do this by caressing, holding, and possibly suckling your breast. So please, don't be fair, don't be afraid, don't be scared. I'm doing it only for you. I'm doing this only for you. I don't want to do it, but that's the only way I can tap into your true inner self and your spirit. So please let me do this. I don't have to, but please allow me because, yes, I'm a psychic.